Hello guys, achievement. That's your favorite poetry from a God Bro Kelly Gilbert. You see the way I'm smiling now, but you see the way I'm smiling, guys. My bed are doing wonderful. My bed are doing awesome. Guys, today is our day 33. Today is our day 33, and guess what? These guys are weighing 2.270 kg on the day 33. And guys, we are doing awesome. And I want to say thank you so much for those who are subscribed. For those who have subscribed to my YouTube channel, thank you so much. And if you've not subscribed, please do well to subscribe. Guys, my bed are doing wonderful. Day 33 and we are weighing 2.470 kg. We are doing wonderful as a poultry farmer. We're doing wonderful. And please, if you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, do well to go and subscribe. So today I'll be showing you guys how to make your broiler chicken grow faster without growth promoter. How to make your broiler chicken grow faster without growth promoter. Within day 33, my birds are weighing 2.470 kg. Guys, I'm super excited. Like, I can even start selling this bird for now, but you know, I don't want to sell them for now. So, how to make your bird grow faster without growth promoter. Now, let's go. Number one, get the right breed. Now, as a poultry farmer, getting the right breed goes a long way for your broiler chicken to grow faster and bigger within 33 days. Getting the right breed. Now, basically, we have three commercial broiler chicken that grow big and faster. Now we have the Cup 500, we have the Cup 500, the Rose 308, and Amo Acre. Now, basically, now we make to classify this chicken as this commercial broilers to classify these commercial broilers I've mentioned under the Cup 500. We have Zatek, Olams, MPG, and Cascada. Yeah, Cascada. I'm sorry for the pronunciation. Cascada. Now, under Rose 308, we have now Rose 308. This Rose 308. These birds are quite very expensive. They're quite very expensive. We have the Agrited and the Said. Yes, the Agrited and Said. Now, the third one, which is Abo Acre. The third one, which is Abo Acre, is just Amo and Chi. Yeah, Amo and Chi. Remember, the first one is Cup 500. Under Cup 500, we have the Zatek, the Olam, the MPG and the Cascada. Under the Rose 308, we have the Agrited and Said. Under Amo Acre, we have Amo and Chi. Guys, these birds are doing wonderful. As a poultry farmer, these birds, when you get them, just make sure that you take care of them. These birds are doing wonderful as a poultry farmer. So guys, my bird, now what we have on ground here is called 500, and these guys are doing awesome. Now, I'll be showing you their weight. Now, as a poultry farmer, if you don't have skill, in your poultry farm, that's just the beginning of the failure. Because you need to be checking, as a poultry farmer, you need to be checking. It helps you, checking their weight helps you to check their feed conversion rate, and checking their weight helps you to know that if your birds are actually growing or not. Before, to avoid stunted growth, you should have a digital scale to weigh your bird every week. So guys, what we have on ground now is Olams, Cup 500 Olams. So guys, weighing them to show you that we are not fabricating numbers, guys. To show that we are not fabricating numbers. 2.470 kg on day 33. Guys, we are doing awesome. Now, let's check that. What we have here is Cup 500. What we have here is Cup 500 Olams. Now, we'll be checking that weight. We'll be picking like 5 or 6. We'll be checking that weight to clear it down. See, we are not fabricating numbers. Guys, let's just check one. Let's check this guy. Sorry. Guys, he's weighing 2,336 grams. 2,336 grams. Now, when you convert it to kg, weight. Now, when you convert it to kg, you're getting 2.336 kg. Guy, wonderful. At day 33. So let's pick another one. If you are taking like four birds, we are taking like 4 chicken to just know. Remember, what we have on ground is Cup 500 Olams. They are Cup 500. So let's take this guy. Sorry. So guys, basically this guy is weighing 2,536 grams. 2,536 grams. Now 2,576 grams. Now when you convert it to kg, you are getting 2.576 kg. 2.576 kg, guys, on the day 33. So let's pick another one to check their weight. So let's pick another one. Let's pick this guy to check their weight. This is the third one now, remember? Sorry. This guy is weighing 2,192 grams, 2,197 grams, 2,197 grams, 2,197 grams. Now when you convert it to kg, you are getting 2.197 kg. Guy only did 33. So let's pick another one, the fifth one. Let's pick another one, the fourth one, to see how they are doing. Guys, we are doing awesome as a protein one. Day 33. We are doing wonderful. Now we are getting 2.336 kg, 2.576 kg, 2.197 kg. Guys, we are doing data 3. Now let's check another one. You guys, that we are not fabricating numbers. Let's check another one. So guys, this guy is weighing 2,484 grams, 2,484 grams, 2,484. Guys, you're doing awesome. 2,484 grams. Now when you convert it to kg, you're getting 2.484 kg. Guys, on the day 33. Now let's check. You check 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's check the last one, the fifth one. Guys, let's check the last one, the fifth. So guys, this last one is weighing 2,393 grams, 2,392 grams. Sorry. 2,392 grams. Now when you convert it to kg, you're getting 2.392 kg. On the day 33, guys. On the day 33, guys, we are doing awesome. Now, as a protein farmer, if you don't have a scale, please make sure you have a scale. Now, you have to remember, Com 500, Rose 308, and Amo Acre. These are the best commercial breeders in Nigeria. Guys, remember the first one was getting the right breed. Now, the second one is the right feed. Using the right feed. As a poultry farmer, you need a good feed. For you to lay, as a poultry farmer, you need a good feed. You need a good feed for you to feed your bird from day old. That 2 weeks, you need to give them good feed. Now, I'll recommend Ultima Superstar Plus or New Hope. Now, these are the best feed ever. These are the best feed for me. These are the best feed I'm using, and they are giving me the weight I want as a poultry farmer. They are giving me the weight I want. Now, this feed now, as a poultry farmer, it's always good for you to check your feed conversion rate. Always check your feed conversion rate. Checking your feed conversion will go a long way for you. Now let me show you guys something. Just watch. So guys, now this is how we do our feed conversion rate. Now how do you check your feed conversion rate? FCR equals to total number of feed consumed divided by number of bird. Now total number of feed consumed divided by number of bird. Now this is our calculation. Now on the first day when this guy came in, when they came in, they were still inside the box. We've not fed them. We just weighed them. We want to see their weight on arrival. We are trying to check their weight on arrival. Now, what we got was 45 grams. When they came in, what we got was 45 grams. Now, basically, you get 45 grams, 40 grams, 30 grams, or 35 grams. Or 20 grams. Now, if you get 20 grams, just make sure that you give your adequate attention to those birds. Guys, as a poultry farmer, now the feed we use Ultima Superstar Plus for breeding. From there, we transfer to New Hope. Guys, this feed did so well. I won't lie to you guys. This feed did so well. Guys, as you can see, on the week 1, on the day 20, on the day 7, we got 241 grams. When you convert it to kg, you're getting 0.241 kg. Now, on the week 2, on the day 14, we got 631 grams. Now, when you convert it to kg, you're getting 0.631 kg. Guys, you're doing awesome. Now, on the day 21, that is 3 weeks. Now, on the day 3, on the week 3, that was when we got. On the day week 3, that was when we get 1 kg. Guys, on the week 3, that was when we got 1 kg. Now, we're getting week 3, that's to day 21. We're getting 1,273 grams. Now, when you convert it to kg, you're getting 1.273 kg. Guys, remember what we had was 100. We sold 40 at week 2. We sold 40 at week 2. So what we have now is 60. And we've not had any mortality. We've not had any mortality as a poultry farmer. We've not had any mortality. So this is it. Now on the week 3, what we used was 4 bags. 4 bags on the week 3. Now guys, we keep growing. Now this is our today's day. Today is Today is 15th of August 2024, day 33. Guys, we are weighing 2.70 kg. As you guys saw the weight there, guys, we are doing awesome as a poultry farmer. Guys, we are doing awesome. Make sure you have weight, make sure you have skill, and make sure you weigh your bird every day. It helps you to know whether your birds are growing or not, and it helps you to know if your birds are growing or not, or they are having stunted growth as a poultry farmer. So guys, getting the right feed goes a long way. Just laying that foundation from day old help you to grow your bird from day 1 to day 33, getting 2.470 kg. My guys, at day 33, we are doing awesome. Guys, our number three is comfort zone. Guys, make your bed so comfortable. Make sure you have. Now I'll use this for me to define this comfort zone. I'll use this flow. I use acronym flow. FLAWSS, which is mean flow. F is feed. Have a good feed. Make sure there is always constant feed on the feeder. Make sure that there is always constant feed on this feeder. Make sure these guys don't run out of feed from day old till 6 weeks. Now the L is light. Guys, make sure there is always constant light in your poultry farm. Now, without light, your bird don't feed. Without light, your bird will not eat. Now, during brooding, make sure there is always constant light. Make sure there is always constant light, because light helps them to grow. Light helps them to perform the natural behavior, thus baiting, running around, distribution of prey oil in the poultry farm. Guys, without light, these guys can. Now, immediately after brooding, start withdrawing the light, because without light, your bird will not feed. Now, the third one, which is air. Guys, make sure there is fresh air in your poultry farm. Make sure there's always constant fresh air. Carbon dioxide is leaving, carbon moisture is leaving, air is coming in. Guys, as a poultry farmer, make sure there is always air for them. Now, the W is water. Guys, as a poultry farmer, if you can't drink the water these guys are drinking, it's not good for them. When I mean drinking the water, I don't mean drinking from their drink. I mean drinking from the water source where the water is coming from. Now, as a poultry farmer, if you can't drink the water they are drinking, that means the water is not good for them. Okay, that's now the S is space. Guys, always make sure there's enough space in your poultry farm. Make sure that you have enough space, because enough space helps these guys to grow. It helps them to avoid stunted growth. Now, at the point you see broilers who stand up to flap their wings. Now, if there is no space, they cannot do that. If there is no space, they can't flap their wings. Okay, now that is it. Space allow your broiler to grow. If there is enough space in your poultry farm, they will run around, they will play, they will enjoy themselves. Remember, comfort zone. Now, the last S is biosecurity. The last S is sanitation, biosecurity. Please, as a poultry farmer, avoid visitors into your poultry farm. If you even want to allow visitors into your poultry farm, make sure there is a biosecurity regulation. Make sure that they don't wear the same. Make sure that they've not visited any farm before entering your own farm. Make sure that they are not having any strong perfume on them. Make sure that they are not wearing jewelry, or make sure they've not gone to any farm. They've not visited any farm before coming to your farm. Sure, do not allow visitors into your poultry farm. Remember, number 3 is comfort zone. Now, when we talk about the comfort zone, we've summarized this acronym of flow. FLAWXS. Feed, light, air, water, space, and sanitation. The sanitation is also about it. Now, the last one, and please, the last one is for everybody. And please, if you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do well to subscribe. Please do well to subscribe. I want to thank everyone. Like, I'm so happy. Guys, we hit 1,800 subscribers, and we're doing awesome. 1,800 subscribers, guys. I still want to say thank you. Seriously, from the bottom of my heart, I want to say thank you. 1,800 subscribers. We just started last year, and this is where we are. 1,800 subscribers, and the numbers are keep going up. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Now, the last one is natural growth booster. As a poultry farmer, you need natural growth booster. No joke, no cap. You need natural growth booster. Now, natural growth booster, which the one I'm using, which is what the one I'm using is what I would recommend for you guys. You can use pawpaw leaf. Yeah, pawpaw leaf. Try and just pawpaw leaf, extract the juice, give them for 3 days. Trust me, your bed will be super heavy. I'll drop a link at my description. Now, if you've not checked 4 kg, how top secret to get 4 kg in 6 weeks. Go check it out. You will learn a lot from that video. Okay. So guys, assuming that's your favorite protein farm and God bold, remember, good breed goes a long way in your protein farm. We have cup 500. We have cup 500, we have roast 308 and Amo Acre. This bird goes so well as a poultry farmer. So as a poultry farmer, please take note of this. The right breed, the right feed, comfort zone and good natural growth booster. Okay, assuming that's your favorite poultry farmer, God both kill it. Guys, I'm super excited. At day 33, my birds are weighing 2.470 kg. That's just the weight I'm doing for now. So guys, I'm super excited, and please, we have started, start booking. Okay, start booking on our bed. We actually start from next week. We start selling them off. From next week we start selling them off. So start booking already. Okay, Ashimon, that's your favorite poultry farmer.